The 8 best exercises for weight loss. It's estimated that half of all American adults attempt to lose weight every year. Aside from dieting, exercising is one of the most common strategies employed by those trying to shed extra pounds. It burns calories, and this plays a key role in weight loss. 1. Walking is one of the best exercises for weight loss, and for good reason. According to Harvard Health, it's estimated that a 155-pound, 70-kilogram person burns around 167 calories per 30 minutes of walking at a moderate pace of 4 miles per hour, 6.4 kilometers per hour. 2. Jogging or running. Jogging and running are great exercises to help you lose weight. Although they seem similar, the key difference is that a jogging pace is generally between 4 to 6 miles per hour, 6.4 to 9.7 kilometers per hour, while a running pace is faster than 6 miles per hour, 9.7 kilometers per hour. 3. Cycling. Cycling is a popular exercise that improves your fitness and can help you lose weight. Although cycling is traditionally done outdoors, many gyms and fitness centers have stationary bikes that allow you to cycle while staying indoors. 4. Weight training. Weight training is a popular choice for people looking to lose weight. According to Harvard Health, it's estimated that a 155-pound, 70-kilogram person burns roughly 112 calories per 30 minutes of weight training. 5. Interval training. Interval training, more commonly known as high-intensity interval training (HIIT), is a broad term that refers to short bursts of intense exercise that alternate with recovery periods. Typically, a HIIT workout lasts 10 to 30 minutes and can burn a lot of calories. 6. Swimming. Swimming is a fun way to lose weight and get in shape. Harvard Health estimates that a 155-pound, 70-kilogram person burns approximately 233 calories per half hour of swimming. 7. Yoga. Yoga is a popular way to exercise and relieve stress. While it's not commonly thought of as a weight loss exercise, it burns a fair amount of calories and offers many additional health benefits that can promote weight loss. Harvard Health estimates that a 155-pound, 70-kilogram person burns around 149 calories per 30 minutes of practicing yoga. 8. Pilates. Pilates is a great beginner-friendly exercise that may help you lose weight. According to a study sponsored by the American Council on Exercise, a person weighing around 140 pounds, 64 kilograms, would burn 108 calories at a 30-minute beginner's Pilates class, or 168 calories at an advanced class of the same duration. The bottom line, it's most important to choose an exercise that you enjoy doing. This makes it more likely that you'll stick to it long-term and see results. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel and get your gift by clicking the link on the description.